Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and discovering that your only source of income is gone. You check your phone and see an email that changes everything. Your position has been terminated, your salary is gone, and suddenly your only income disappears. For most people, this situation would be terrifying. But what if money kept coming in, even after losing your job? What if your income came from many different places? This is the secret wealthy people understand. They don't rely on one source of income. They build multiple streams of income. And today, we're going to explore 9 powerful income streams that can slowly change your financial future. But first, we need to understand the biggest mistake most people make. Since childhood, most people are taught the same plan. Study hard, get good grades, graduate from college, find a stable job, work for 40 years, then retire and hope your savings last. But there is one huge flaw in this plan. Everything depends on one single income source. And relying on one income source is risky, because if that source disappears, your entire financial life can collapse. That's why smart people build multiple streams of income. Each stream makes your financial life stronger. If one stream stops, the other streams keep flowing. And that's how financial stability is built. Now let's explore the first major income stream that almost everyone already has. Active income. Active income means trading your time for money. You work and you get paid. If you stop working, the income stops too. Most jobs operate on this system. Doctors, engineers, freelancers, all of them trade time for money. And there's nothing wrong with active income, but it has one serious limitation. There are only 24 hours in a day, and that means your income has a natural limit. You can work harder, but you cannot create more hours in the day. That's why wealthy people eventually move beyond only active income. They begin building income streams that work even when they are not working. And this brings us to the second income stream: content creation. Platforms like YouTube allow people to share knowledge with millions. When your audience grows, platforms place advertisements on your videos, and those advertisements generate revenue. The powerful part is this: you create the video once, but the video can keep making money for years, even while you sleep. This is the beginning of passive income that doesn't require constant effort. Another powerful passive income stream comes from investing, specifically dividends. Dividends are payments that companies give to their shareholders. When you buy shares of a company, you become a partial owner, and when that company earns profit, it may distribute a portion of that profit to investors. These payments are called dividends. Many investors build portfolios that generate regular dividend income. Over time, those small payments can grow significantly because investing is a long-term game. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes, and eventually your investments begin producing income. Now let's move to another modern income stream: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is surprisingly simple. You recommend a product or service, someone purchases that product using your referral link, and you earn a commission from the sale. This system powers a huge part of the online economy. Many creators use affiliate marketing alongside content creation. The more valuable your recommendations are, the more trust your audience builds with you. Next comes one of the most scalable income streams: digital products. Digital products include things like ebooks, online courses, templates, and guides. The amazing thing about digital products is that you create them once, but they can be sold thousands of times, without inventory and without shipping. Now let's talk about another powerful income stream: real estate. Real estate has been one of the most common wealth-building tools for decades. When you own a property, you can rent it out to tenants and receive monthly rental income. Over time, the property value may also increase, which means your asset grows while generating income. Some investors even own multiple properties, creating several streams of rental income. Next comes another modern income stream: Brand sponsorships. When you build an audience online, companies want access to that audience, so they pay creators to promote their products. Even small creators can earn from sponsorships, and larger creators can earn thousands per deal. Another interesting income stream is community membership. Some creators build private communities, where members receive exclusive content. Members pay a small monthly fee, and in return they get special benefits. This creates recurring monthly income, which can become very powerful over time. Now let's explore the ninth income stream: public speaking and expertise. As your knowledge grows, people may invite you to share your expertise. Companies, schools, and events often pay speakers, turning knowledge into income. Now here is the most important lesson. You don't need to build all 9 income streams at once. You start with one, then slowly add another, and another. Over time, your financial structure becomes stronger. If one income stream disappears, the others continue supporting you. This is how financial stability is built. And eventually, financial freedom becomes possible. Because the real goal is not just money. The real goal is freedom. Freedom to control your time. Freedom to choose meaningful work. Freedom to live life on your terms. And multiple income streams make that possible. The journey starts with a single step: learning new skills, exploring new opportunities, and building income streams slowly. Remember, wealth is rarely built overnight. It is built through consistent effort, patience, and smart financial decisions. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Because the future belongs to those who prepare today. Your future self will thank you.